During the registration process, like in any amnesty program, there are certain people who are not in to do it. Some people come in at a later date to want to do it, which is okay. But when people come at a later date to do it, they do it through a process called first registration. So they have to bring their old title, do an abstract of title indicating or showing the root of that title, and obviously the signatures and forms of identification for the new title to be prepared. The process requires publication in the Gazette, advising or informing the world that registration is about to happen. So that's the process. But when the documents were lodged, the frontline officers were going to their checklist and verifying that everything was in order, recognized that the forms of identification produced did not match in terms of nationality. I think they submitted, if I'm not mistaken, 2 forms of identification. In one form of identification, the nationality was X, and in the other form of identification, the information was something else. That prompted us to be able to suspect that something was wrong. And when we did further checks, we found out that indeed the signatures are not correct, that everything seemed to be so suspicious. And so we immediately got concerned and sent out the press release. We have been suspecting of situations like this happening, but this would have been perhaps one of the few times when we have actually had the documentation in our hands to be able to say, you know what, it's really happening.